Like what we've mentioned, Hamana Homes has a lot of offerings, no, na mga type of houses. Depende sa budget ni client. Because here in Hamana Homes, we also have the townhouses, no,
Yes,
sir?
po.
So,
For the, early nester, yung mga bagong married.
So with that being said, our model unit for our townhouses is Lamea.
Lamea.
For Lamea, we have a minimum lot area of more or less 75 square meter and a usable floor area of more or less 51 square meter.
Yeah.
So let's go. Ayan. So dito yung you will be greeted with your living area na, no, sir. Ayan. And right beside your living area, of course, your clean kitchen. Normally, ganito yung layout ng mga
Yes,
townhouses natin, no, sir? And then, on the ground floor, you have also, of course, your one toilet and bathroom. Sa taas, sir, meron din.
Yes, we have
so,
also.
two toilet and bathroom
Yes,
din
po.
siya. But the difference that kumbaga sa townhouse, ilan yung units meron sa isang cluster, sir?
This Lamea po, we call it quadruplex, so apat sila magkakadikit.
Okay.
And we have also one townhouse in phase 1, we call it Kanea.
Kanea.
So triplex naman sila.
Oh.
So isa lang ang inner unit, dalawang end unit bale.
I see. Kasi sir, some of the clients, syempre, let's say, yung sok sa budget nila is for townhouse. So they
Yes.
do have also the option kung ano yung unit na kukunin nila.
Correct.
It's either on the inner or on the end.
Yes.
No? Ayun. Tara, punta muna tayo sa second floor niya. So, dito yung master's bedroom niya, no, sir? Ayan. And, napaka-generous din naman ni Hamana when it comes sa balcony, sir. So, lahat ng mga units natin, may
Kahit
balcony,
townhouse
sir.
siya, may balcony pa din, ha?
No, ayan. So, you have the balcony as well kahit townhouse. Ayan. So, again, this will be your master's bedroom. And for the second floor niya, actually, technically, tatlo. However, yung isa, sir, I believe, pwede siya for the work from home setup na
tama.
Kasi, sir, yung iba, uso na talaga ngayon yung work from home, di ba? So, yung isa, pwede siya, gawin mo siyang parang mini office. But, basically, right beside your master's bedroom, you have the toilet and bathroom, and you have your second room here.
Yan, naka-double deck yan. For
Naka-double
2 kids
deck.
yan,
Tapos yung sa yung sa lower part is parang mini office niya din, no,
Yes.
sir. And likewise, dun sa third bedroom, ayan, sir, it's the option of the client kung ano yung gagawin niya dito. It's either home office setup or storage na